Is your TikTok videos stuck at 200 views or lower than 200 views? Then watch this video till the end. Do you feel you are shadow banned? Watch this video till the end. I will explain to you why it's like that and what you will do so that you start getting views. Part 1 is how the algorithm works. Once you post your video, the algorithm will first post that video to 200 people. And how that 200 people react to that video, if your video gets likes, is 1 point. If people visit your profile, is another point. If people follow you, is another point. And it also has a negative point. When people see your video and they go away, they did not watch the video to an extent, is a negative point. Even if your video is more than 200 views, even if it's 10k views, you are still shadow banned. Your views should be more than that. So let me tell you all the solutions you can try, things you will do to get out of shadow banned. Number 1 point is, do not post your video on multiple accounts. Don't post the same video on multiple accounts. Point is, do not ever delete any video from your page. If you have any reason to delete any video, instead of deleting a video, what you do is put that video in private. The next point is, stick to a niche. Don't be jumping from one niche to another. It will make the algorithm to be confused, does not know your audience. Okay, stick to a niche, and before you know it, your views will be coming. You don't need to confuse the algorithm. The algorithm will fish out people that your videos are meant for, and your videos will start getting mighty views. Another point is copycats. Don't just copy exactly what other pages are doing. If you are new, just watch people in your niche that are doing the same thing you are doing. Get ideas from them, then do research and upgrade. Get a new video, a new idea, and before you know it, you start getting views. Next point is, post less. If you are posting 1 to 3 times a day, is perfect. Don't post up to 5 or 10 videos in a day. If not, the algorithm will think that is a spam account and your view will be low. And if you are posting 3 times a day and you are still in shadow ban, then post 1 to 2 times a day and see how it goes. And don't post 2 videos at the same time. Okay, give them a space of time like 3 hours interval. If you do that, videos will not get views, to get 0 views. Then stop using hashtags. When you stop using hashtags, you will see whether there will be difference. That's the next point. Stop using hashtags for a few days, then the algorithm itself will post your video to the right people by himself. Okay, stop using hashtag for few days. It will help you. The next point is trends. Get involved in anything that is trending in your niche. Get involved. Make sure you make a video and don't be late about it. Make your videos in your niche, whatever that is trending. Make sure you get involved. It will help you to go viral because people are searching for that trend at that moment. So get involved and use whatever that is trending to go viral. The next thing is the multiple hook strategies. You must use multiple hooks to hook your audience, to make them stick to your video, to watch your video, and to get engaged in your content. Let them engage. It helps the algorithm to push your video more to people. But when they don't get engaged, the algorithm will think that your video is not good, is not a good thing. This point is the golden ratio. That's how long your video is. Is it, what kind of video do you upload? Is it 50 seconds, 60 seconds video? If you have been uploading 60-second video and your videos are not doing well, then make it longer. You can do 2 minutes, 3 minutes video and see the difference. Okay, or if you have been doing longer videos and your videos are not getting views, then make it shorter. Make it 50 seconds, 60 seconds video and watch what happens. This might help your videos to be boosted and you go viral. Have you been watching this video to this extent? What are you waiting for? Please like this video, give it a thumbs up. Follow me for more wonderful, beautiful content like this. Give me a follow. Comment on the comment section what you think about the video and share it with your friends. Your time.